Harry has just finished restoring his 100-year-old front door frame.
Oh, it's in!
Almost.
Nearly. Before you build that wall, I need to run some wires through that. We're getting installed a facial recognition application. Recognises your face and opens the door. And that will be demonstrated on the reveal on Sunday. I want to try and get the judges' faces in there so they can get a bit of a surprise.
Mate, well done.
It's actually a nice door frame.
You've got a new career.
What, paint stripping?
Nah, stripper. Hey?
The front door of House 1 is a touchy subject. At the beginning of the week, Harry found out that while all the other houses were getting replica front doors, he had to restore his original front door and frame. And he was not a happy Harry.
How come I seem to be the one that, out of everyone not getting a brand new door?
Do you think,
what's the issue?
Are you feeling disadvantaged or?
Yeah, absolutely, I'm disadvantaged. It's unfair. You've got 5 contestants. 4 are getting new doors, new door frames, but we're not. I don't believe the door will come up as good as the other ones at all.
After restoring the old frame by himself, Harry can see its appeal.
It was enjoyable, stripping it. I could just focus on the one task. I didn't have to worry about anything else. It's an old jam. It's got a beautiful old thick step that you just can't replicate because the new ones are not like that. But like I said, the door jam is probably going to be nice. The door is another thing.
Harry's door was sent off to be prepped before painting, and now it's back.
Harry!
So will Harry be satisfied?
Mate, I have a present for you.
What is it?
What do you think it is?
Oh, it's familiar.
There it is. Remember when you spat the dummy out of the pram the other day at me?
Yeah, well, it still needs a bit of clean, loving care.
Well, we've sanded it back and undercoated for you.
Yeah, yeah.
We've left the original features.
Yeah, I know, that's good.
And then we've got the new Viridian glass in it.
OK, well, that's all right.
Just all right?
Yeah, well, let me have a look.
Hey? Come on, mate.
OK, all right.
Are you a bit happier now?
Well, it looks better than what it was before. And look, it's going to go well with the frame, so it actually suits.
So now you're happy?
Suits it. Happier.
Happier? Look, mate, original
Yeah,
character.
It'll look good.
Well, good to see you excited, mate. That
Thanks,
went well.
mate. All the best. Thanks
That
for
went
bringing
real
it.
well.
I think the door needs to be replaced. Even after seeing it, with it being stripped back, it hasn't been in any way puttied, fixed, sanded. It's just been dipped, given an undercoat, and they've delivered it. So I'm not happy with it, no.
It's naked right now. It needs to have a little black dress slipped over it, so maybe when we put some makeup on and dressed her up, she might look a bit nicer.
A door in a black dress and makeup. OK.